The EcoNet 24 platform provides remote access to the Aerona smart controller for monitoring and management. There are two types of account access. The homeowner level, which allows monitoring and control of a single installation. A customer's personal data is only visible at this level, and the installer or service engineer level, which enables the monitoring and control of multiple installations. This tutorial covers the setup of the EcoNet account for the homeowner. As the homeowner account is designed to only monitor a single Aerona heat pump installation with a smart controller, this account should be set up under the homeowner's email address and can be accessed from either the EcoNet app or web-based portal. The homeowner will need to agree to the terms of use during the initial account setup. If you are creating a homeowner account for the first time, you will need to enter the UID number as the first part of the registration process. Go to www.econet24.com and click Register, where you'll be prompted to enter the controller's UID. To access the UID, tap the Settings menu icon on the Smart Controller touchscreen display in the bottom left corner. Next, tap User Settings, followed by the I Information icon. Tapping Firmware Version will display the current installed software for the smart controller along with the controller UID and serial number. When entered, the EcoNet web portal will verify the UID is both correct and available to be assigned to an account. Complete the remaining information and finish the registration process on the screen. When the account is registered, the Wi-Fi hub will display that it is connected with the external server by illuminating the Connection with Server LED indicator on the front. It is important to note that if the smart controller is already assigned to an account, that account will need to be removed from EcoNet to release the UID number. An existing homeowner can remove their account via the web-based EcoNet portal by navigating to the top right corner, selecting the Person icon, and then My Account from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, select Remove Account. You will then be prompted to enter your account password. Finally, click the Delete button to confirm. An incoming homeowner without an EcoNet account will need an unassigned UID to start the registration of their new EcoNet account.